there, there, and there. THERE is a place, like over there. And here is also a place. So, if you want to know which there to use, and it means a place, insert the word here. Can you say, come over here? And you can also say, go over there, right? So if you insert here in place of there and it makes sense, then you know you need the THERE, which just so happens to have the word here in it as well. There is a possessive pronoun. It, like your, both end in an R, and there are always exceptions to the rule, but there and your are both possessive pronouns, both end in R, and both have to be followed by a noun. You can say their books, their car, their toys, their school, their mom, their dad. And THEY apostrophe RE is a contraction. I do not know why people use a contraction but don't put the contraction mark in there. It's not a contraction. It's a grammar mistake, okay? If you don't put the contraction mark in there, it's not a contraction. It means they are. I often see people write this. They'll put this there and then put the word are. Look at this. You can't say they are going home, can you? Makes no sense. So that's the wrong there. Look at my example sentence I have here. If you sit over there, it's a place. What was it? Yes. So we know then that's the right there. It's the there that has the here in it, correct? If you sit over there and listen to their speeches, what did I tell you about THEIR? It's always followed by a what? A person, place, or thing, a noun. Here's a noun, their speeches. If you sit over there and listen to their speeches, what is this? What does this one mean? They are going to be very happy. It makes sense. What if I put THERE right here? If I said, if you sit over there and listen to their speeches, right here, if I had there, what did I say you had to check it? What did you have to do? Put what? Here. Can you say here, going to be very happy? No. So we know it's not the THERE. What if I put THEIR right here? What did I tell you the rule for that? It has to be a what after it? Well, it's an R. It ends in an R, yes. But it has to be a noun after, correct. Is it a noun after? If I put it right here, is going a noun? No, going is a verb because that's action, correct? Going on. There are a lot of people there. I used the word THERE twice. What's the rule? Here. Can I say here are a lot of people? Here are a lot of people. A lot of people here. It doesn't make a lot of sense, but it's not wrong. Can I say there are a lot of people here? So we know that's the right there. Because if you insert the word here, you don't even have to insert it. You just put here there and then, put there and take out the T. And if it makes sense, then what? It's the right one. Their speeches were loud and clear. This THEIR is a what? It's a what? Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is always followed by what? A what? Person, place, or thing. What's the person, place, or thing after this possessive pronoun? Speeches. So we know that's the correct there. Make sense? How do we say this to make sure it's the right one? They are going to be great speakers one day. Does that make sense? What if I put THERE right here? How am I going to check myself? I'm going to do what?
Here.
Can I say here, going to be great speakers one day? Nope. Doesn't make sense, right? What if I put THEIR right here? Why?
Because there's no person.
That's right. It's not a person, place, or thing. It has to be followed by a noun. One more time. THEIR is a possessive pronoun. It's always followed by a person, place, or thing. A noun. THERE. How can you check yourself to make sure you're using the right one? You insert here. And if it still makes sense, then you know it's the right one. Because there's a place, in here is a place. Correct? And THEY'' is a what?
Contraction.
It is a contraction. And so if you are unsure, then break the contraction up and say, they are. Correct? Okay. Good job.